Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how can you download the ringtone file. First, click on the download link which is provided in the description section. Then go to the bottom of the page. Click on I am not a robot. Then scroll down a bit and click on continue next button. Again you have to go to the bottom of the page. You will see a countdown timer. Wait for the countdown timer to finish. Then scroll down and click on get link. You will be redirected to the media file download link. Click on download and your ringtone will be start downloading. Thanks for watching the video.